Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today we are in my car because we are on a foodie adventure vlog. And this time it is a special one. It is for Thanksgiving, and I have found 3 places that we can go to. Some of you guys out there have helped me find these places as well. So the first place that I'm going to is Urban Coal-Fired Pizza. The second place that I'm going to go to is Salt and Straw. It is an ice cream shop. And the third place that I'm going to go to is Milk Organics. I did go to that place on my last foodie adventure vlog, but they did have a vegan Thanksgiving sandwich that I really wanted to try, so we're gonna go back there. So let's get eating. Alright, if you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning. Today's Thursday, but that's okay. Beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also be sure to check out my Instagram. I post behind the scenes like today. I'm filming it actually just 2 days before, so you guys can have some sneak peeks about that and what I'm doing throughout my daily life. You guys can see what I'm doing throughout my week instead of just seeing me here on Wednesdays. Alright, so the first place that we just went to, I pre-ordered this while I was at work and we got it. It is from Urban Coal-Fired Pizza, and they have this big old coal, what is it, like a Dutch oven, coal-fired like pizza oven thing, and you get to see them putting the pizzas in and stuff, so it's pretty cool. This one was located in Vista, California. Okay, so this pizza is the mashed potato pizza, and I'm pretty sure it's located at all the Urban Pizza locations. It has mashed potatoes, it has mozzarella cheese, it has bacon on it, and we're gonna take a look at it right now. It looks quite plain, to be honest. I mean, again, there weren't that many ingredients on it. It is, I believe, available all year round, but I have never heard of a mashed potato pizza, and I thought it would be perfect for the Thanksgiving foodie vlog because mashed potatoes are a staple for Thanksgiving dinners. So this is it. It looks kind of plain, but I'm not mad about it. I don't know if anyone has ever done this before or anything like that. I think I'm just gonna dive in and take a bite. Okay. Just close your eyes. Okay. Does it kind of taste like a roll with mashed potatoes on it? Kinda. The bacon is like a little too much for me. Again, I don't really like bacon too much, so let me see if I can get a bite that doesn't have a lot of bacon. Like, it's not bad at all. Like, at all. I think, yeah, it's just kind of like bread with mashed potatoes on it. Like you do like garlic bread and you kind of put like your spaghetti on top of it and take a bite. It's like bread and you just kind of put your mashed potatoes on top of it. So the bacon does add a nice flavor to it. It's not too overpowering, except for that first bite. It was a lot of bacon, but a lot of people out there love bacon, so I can just see how they would love this pizza with all its bacon everywhere and stuff. But honestly, I think I would order this again. There's no like sauce on it? I don't think so. No. I think that's just bread. I think it's just potato, cheese, and bacon. But I am glad that this is available all year round because I think I would order it again. Maybe next time I would like add sauce to it just to try and see how it tastes with sauce, because mashed potatoes usually come with gravy. So why not? And it's like,
add your own gravy,
right? Or yeah, maybe I'll make my own gravy for it. But it's only like 3 ingredients. So, ooh, I want to try it with some chili flakes. Just a few, I don't want a lot. It's good. I like it a lot. But again, growing up, mashed potatoes were like my food. I would put half my plate mashed potatoes and like barely put anything else. And then I think I would go back for more mashed potatoes. So mashed potatoes are like very good to me. This is very good. Okay, so I am going to not finish this whole pizza, but we are gonna go on to the next place, which is Salt and Straw, to try some Thanksgiving ice creams. So let's go. Are you filming?
Wow, this is cute. I feel weird.
Okay, are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, so I had no idea that it was gonna be like this kind of like outing place, so this is kind of weird, but yeah, we're gonna go to Salt and Straw right now and try 4 different Thanksgiving flavors that they have. So
we have to find it first.
Yeah, we have to find it first.
There's a map over here. Ooh, look at this. It's all 3D.
Okay, Salt and Straw.
There.
580. 5. We're there. I don't know how to read maps.
We're here.
I don't know.
Oh.
You're coming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
We are somewhere in Del Mar that I had no idea looked like this, and we just got out of Salt and Straw. We're gonna try 4 of their, actually all of their seasonal flavors, which is Thanksgiving themed. So I'm super excited for this one. 4 different flavors. It's kind of scary, but I think it'll be fine. We have the salted caramel turkey. We have the sweet potato casserole with maple pecan. We have the cranberry juniper sherbet. Here we have the roasted peach and sage cornbread stuffing. So the first one I'm gonna try, I think I want to try the cranberry sherbet one. Cranberry juniper sherbet. Juniper or no, there's no T. Jupiter. Juniper. Okay, so the cranberry juniper sherbet. It's sour-ish, tart-ish because of the cranberry, I think. And just, I think sherbet in general is like kind of sour. But it's good. It's really good. Next one? Which one should I try next? I think I'm gonna try the roasted peach. Oh, this one's actually the scariest one for me. So roasted peach and sage cornbread stuffing. So there's like cornbread stuffing in here. It kind of just tastes like a waffle cone smashed up inside of it with like a hint of like cornbread.
No peach?
No, I think the sage is more prominent. The sage and the cornbread. But let me see if I can, I think that piece has peach in it. The peach is very faint, I have to say. But the sage and the cornbread is really there. It's not bad. But I don't know if I like it very much. It's pretty good.
Hurry up, I'm cold.
I'm cold. Okay, next one. Sweet potato casserole with maple pecan. Sweet potato casserole with maple pecan. I don't know what's happening behind me.
Children are running away.
Children are running away? Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet potato casserole with maple pecan. Not a fan. Not a fan. The sweet potato is just like really weird, and the maple is very much a lot.
Very much a lot.
It's like,
can't you just say it's a lot?
it's too much. I don't like it. I don't like it. The last one, which I'm actually most excited about, the salted caramel Thanksgiving turkey. I don't know why I'm most excited about it, because turkey doesn't sound very great.
Like a dessert.
Yeah, at all. But here goes nothing. Nope. No. No. Oh my god, what happened? Oh, I don't even want to try it again to make sure. Wait. Oh god. No, that one's not good at all. I think my most, which is weird, but I think I would go back to the sage cornbread stuffing one. And then I would do the cranberry juniper sherbet. And then the sweet potato one, but probably not really. And I would never, ever get this turkey one ever again. And I think they come out with these every year. I wonder if they're the same flavors every year, because this is the first year that I've ever heard about it. So I wonder...
Where's the truth?
I wonder. Okay. Well, that was fun. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the ice creams that I do like. My sister's probably gonna try them as well. And then we're gonna go home. And then I will see you guys tomorrow for when I try the vegan Thanksgiving sandwich from Milk Organics. So see you tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to the next day, day 2 of my foodie adventure vlog, the Thanksgiving edition. I placed an order with Milk Organics because I saw a sandwich that was a Thanksgiving sandwich, so I knew I had to try it, and this kind of brought the idea of this video into play. So I had to order it because they closed fairly early compared to my work schedule. So this is the Thanksgiving Sando. It is vegan turkey slices, homemade cashew cream cheese, orange cranberry sauce, chipotle mustard, red onion spinach, and a balsamic reduction. Let's try it. I think we've already tried the chipotle mustard the last time we were there. So I think the chipotle mustard we've already tried. I'm pretty sure it was on other sandwiches, the last foodie adventure vlog. So, all right. Let's just do it.
Is the bread still super hard to chew?
It's a little bit hard to bite through the bread. I wonder why they put orange with the cranberry again, because they had the orange cranberry muffin, and now it's an orange cranberry sauce.
Can you taste it though?
Yeah, you can taste it. But I'm just wondering why.
Maybe they just complement each other with their foods. Does it taste like Thanksgiving?
Not really, but I think it's because I'm not a vegetarian or a vegan, so I can tell, you know, that this turkey's not real turkey. So I think that's throwing it off a bit. But also I feel like they have much better sandwiches than this sandwich. They have the, what was it, Green Goddess? Green Goodness. That one's a lot better than this one. It's just kind of mediocre.
But it is pretty good for the meat being fake or vegetarian.
Yeah.
Mainly because I eat that, so it doesn't taste bad.
Yeah, but I just...
Well, it doesn't taste different to me.
Oh. I just think they have better sandwiches than this one, so.
It doesn't taste bad though. I actually like it.
It doesn't taste bad. It just tastes normal.
Yeah.
Like, I would rather have, you know, some cool flavors in there, and it just
some
kinda,
mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Put some mashed potatoes in your sandwiches. Yes.
And green bean casserole.
Yeah. But that's all. Like, it's good, but it's not great. in my opinion.
It's not holiday great.
Yeah, it's not holiday great. When you think of like a specialty Thanksgiving holiday special, you think like amazing. But it was good. Amazing. Thank you so much for joining me, Mayday, in the kitchen on this Foodie Adventure vlog, Thanksgiving edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning. Today's Thursday, but that's okay, when I upload new videos like this one. And yeah, thank you so much. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.